Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for another freaking week. Guys, long time ago I made some background using the nail varnish and we made some marble effect. I have tons of feedback on that video about what you guys wanted to show you, what to create with those. So today I'll show you how to make this some embellishment. They're very simple, honestly guys, super simple to make. And I have used these backgrounds that we made not long ago, and I hope I give you some ideas and inspiration. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. A while ago, and I will put the link in the info box, we made together this super cute background made with nail varnish. So yeah, very fun tutorial. I have used glittery nail varnish as well, some matte ones, so very fun video. So really recommend you guys go and check it out. And we made some basically cards. So just going to show you really quickly front and back. I have used oh, I love these. I love this, the intricate design, but I also love the simplicity of this. So just gonna put it up right that way. So I have used different colors. It was blue, it was burgundy, it was red, it was, and then they had this glittery transparent colors. It's a shame because this one here I rested on top on another one and it kind of spoiled it a bit. So yeah, so that's the glittery transparent one, and they were gold. Yeah, very fun. And in that video I've asked you guys if you wanted to see it, so I thought let's see what we can create with those. I have a few ideas. Oh, I like both sides, probably gonna go for that, and definitely gonna use this bit. So I've got a couple of ideas first, and I put all together some dice and stamp that we thought we could use. I've got this stamp here from creative design.co.uk. As you can see, brand new, I haven't used it. So what I thought we will do is layer in a couple of stars dies and maybe a little tag to say well done, you are a star. Then we're going to use, and I do this off camera because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I put it together, what does it say here, backgrounds, shapes and corners. I got this basically full-on cards dies which we can create some cards with. So I've got this design here and this one here with the bubbles. Then I thought we will cut some letters using my alphabet dies. Let me see if I can, yeah, to maybe say happy birthday or maybe just birthday or b-day. We can create a card with that. I always also thought to do if it fit, I think we can try a doily. Don't know if it's big enough. I'll try like a marble doily. And here I've got another background, which is this one. I think it's a bit too big, but it will work. So yeah, I'm just going to play with these dies and let's see. And I thought of course it would be me without some butterflies, so I thought we're gonna have some gorgeous marble butterflies. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my big shot out and I'm going to cut them and I'll be right back. Okay, let me show you what I made. Let me show you the fails first. Well, number one, the doily die cut, to be fair, I think I should put in the bin. I have tried even to put some pressure on it, but it's still not cutting. So well, we tried. Number 2 was the die with the bubbles. Again, it didn't cut quite right, and because I use photo paper, the photo paper has got a glossy layer on top, so the 2 layers simply peel them off. So yeah, no, it didn't work. I do like the effect and I love the idea, but yeah, it simply didn't it didn't last. And then fail number 3 was this die here. Again, some of them will pop out, but some won't. So yeah, we tried. This was like half fail, was the other bigger die, but I managed to cut these the circle. Love it. It's the mandala sort of geometric motive, and it's quite interesting. So that could be like a really, if you cut in circle, could be like a Christmas bubble, I think, just looking at it right now. So yeah, so I'll come back to the flowers later. And then I love the idea of doing a happy birthday card. In fact, I could probably I need these so I can see, I can show them close to the camera. So because those letters got the glitters in it, I used the paper which had the most glitter, and I think the result is fabulous. I'm really happy with that. I'm happy as the word says on the screen. Come on, focus on the letters, don't focus on the paper. So look at the A's, are lots of details, and the P is shine. So if I receive a card like that, I will be really happy. So I'll probably do like stamp birthday, and just could be like a slim line card, maybe with like a glittery pink as a layer. So yeah, very pleased with that. Then I managed to get 2 butterflies. Again, very happy with those. Look at the detail. Love them. And then managed to get the 2 stars, which would do 2 tags. They shine, and I'm trying to, yeah, you can see them. Gorgeous shine bright like a star. Yep. And then last but not least, you saw me using this several times. It's my ultimate favorite stamp and die combo from Stampin' Up. It's called the Painted Poppies. I got the stamp set, which is there, and I got the matching dies. Okay, there is another stamp set which I'm going to do a crafts de-stash on my way back to Italy, because I've got so many stamps that I don't use them anymore. So the stamp version with a sentiment part of this bundle will go, because I simply don't use it, guys. But I love these dies because you can layer them and you create these poppies. So just gonna quickly show you one by one. Love these flowers, intricate flowers. I might keep them and do a separate videos on it. Love them. Those 2 are similar, but I've done one with the marble as a background, one with the marble as the top layer, and then I've got 2 more with the blues. What do you guys think? I think the flowers and the butterflies are my favorite. But yeah, just to give me some ideas of what to do with your marbled paper. Lots of embellishments, a lot of decoration. Love. Right, guys, I'm going to go super quick video, which I don't think it was quick, but I tried. Today, shout out goes to the lovely Edna. Edna left me a comment, which I will share on the screen now. I love it. Edna said, she said, I've been addicted to your tutorials and my houseworks have been put aside. Well, Edna, well done. There is no a cleaning police, and crafting come first. We need to get the priorities right. That's what I tell myself anyway. To be fair, I need to go now because I had to do a wash. So yeah, yes, housework a call in, but I'm trying to skip the call and I pretend I don't hear the call, but at some point got to face the washing. Right, thank you so much guys for your continuous love and support. Honestly, it means the world to me. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with the grow on my channel here on YouTube. Guys, if you wish to carry on watching for some more ideas and inspiration, I will put a couple of links here on the screen. So if you watch for Android, iPad or an iPhone, simply click on the screen. It will take you straight to the video. The first video I'll show you is the very original video when we made this marble project, used the nail varnish. Don't forget to wear gloves. I told you that in that video, so it was quite a fun video to film actually. So I will put the link here. And on the second video, I made a very similar project about I think 3-4 years ago, where we made some cards using that very similar technique. So again, a couple of more ideas and inspiration to watch. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Have a wonderful start of the week, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.